Hello friends, we are now at Don Bosco Museum. So welcome to Don Bosco Museum. The attractive hexagonal edifice with 7 stories, 56,000 square feet of floor space and 15,154 square feet of display wall space. The Don Bosco Museum, situated in Maulai, Shillong, is the largest cultural museum in northeast India. The museum building rises to form a flame to convey cultural communion for a better society. The foundation stone of Don Bosco Center for Indigenous Cultures was laid on 27 June 1994. The building structure was completed by the end of 2000. The gathering of the artifacts and setting up of the galleries was done from 2000 to 2003. From 2004, DBCIC was opened to the public visitors. The Don Bosco Center for Indigenous Cultures was officially inaugurated in 2010. The vision of DBCIC is to see a Northeast India enriched with the cultural heritage of all its tribes. This vision, translated into mission, consists of carrying forward meaningfully the Don Bosco Museum, research on cultures, publications, workshops, seminars, and the application of multimedia. It would make DBCIC a center for advanced learning through a process of knowledge sharing. In keeping with its vision, DBCIC functions as a catalyst for the cultural mosaic of the Northeast. Our Neighbors Gallery showcases the neighboring countries surrounding the northeast of India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar and Bangladesh. It is a small but beautiful jewel among the other galleries. Photo gallery houses a large number of rare photographs.
इधर देख फोटो खींचने दे
Space Gallery. The center has set up a regional facility for advanced research in atmospheric and space science are towards understanding and qualifying the process leading to regional weather and climate variability. To improve weather forecasting in the region, to support disaster risk reduction activities, to provide weather advisory service and promotion of space science research. Mission and Culture Gallery will require at least a few hours to read through. We love all cultures. This is expressed by a crown of dances and ornamental figures at the top rim of the gallery. An encounter with cultures results in mutual services. These services are shown below the top rim all around the gallery at your eye level. In the Meghalaya Gallery, you will find a replica of the first wooden church that was destroyed by fire in 1936.
ठीक से हो जप्पी
In its palace stands today the beautiful cathedral in Lethum Kharra, Shillong. Now, introductory and prehistory gallery provide the visitor a clear picture of the tribal world of this enchanting corner of India along with the geopolitical importance in Southeast Asia. The biocultural evolution of man through different stages is the subject matter of the prehistory gallery. As you enter it, please read the little note showing that there is no contradiction between evolution and creation.
तो पता नहीं
Land and People's Gallery. This gallery introduces the visitor to the immense topographical richness of the region.
हटो, मेरे को बनाने दो।
Basketry gallery is a vital skill for all communities in Northeast India. Each tribe engages in it, and baskets are produced in many shapes and forms. They are used for different purposes.
खेलने के लिए, तेरे लिए।
कंचना कुकरी बरोबर
जपी, अरे इधर आ। जपी इधर देख। जपी, यार तू जपी बनाया तो एडी है लेकिन।
Agricultural gallery. It portrays the types of cultivation the region has
इस तरफ
been
मुंह करो।
practicing from time immemorial. Wet cultivation, zoom cultivation, and terrace cultivation. The hug tree in the middle is nature's gift to us.
फोटो तो खिंचवाते नहीं था मैं।
If we protect the trees and do not destroy them unnecessarily. Traditional and Technology Gallery. This gallery looks at the economic life of vast majority of the people of the region. It gives you a tour of various villages
देखते हैं।
and occupations. Basketry Gallery. Basketry is a vital skill for all communities in Northeast India. Each tribes engages in it, and baskets are produced in many shapes and forms. They are used for different purposes. Musical Instruments Gallery, a rich collection of indigenous musical instruments of the Northeast. Here, one can get a taste of the simple and sweet indigenous melodies. Simple musical instruments become alive as you take a look at the gallery. Religion and Culture Gallery. It shows that both in religious and cultures there are elements that can unify humanity, starting with non-literate societies.
बनाया तो इन्होंने तगड़ा है
On
ना।
your left as you enter
है।
The gallery takes you through all the major religious beliefs of the world, a real spiritual and cultural tour.
फोटो खिंचा लो कुछ। ये बारिश में जो पहन रहे थे ना कल वो।
Weapons Gallery. This gallery is a reminder of how people struggled for survival. We are happy that there are only few weapons. Costumes and Ornaments Gallery. It opens a window to the variety of colorful shawls and ornaments, which is the pride of every tribe. Don Bosco and Culture Gallery. This gallery provides a mini world tour of Don Bosco contribution to education and culture in all 5 continents. Today, Don Bosco's contribution is present in over 132 countries in all the 5 continents.
पता तो लगे फोटो एक आधा रहेगा।
Housing Pattern Gallery and Natural Resources. It provides a glimpse of the terrain and people's houses in the region. The gallery also exhibits some of the natural resources of the region. Art Gallery, a collection of rare paintings and artifacts from the various states of Northeast. This gallery is a window to the people, creativity.
जपी हाँ कोई से मत अभी चलो यार।
Finally, Skywalk. The Skywalk provides the best view of Queen's Quay, Shillong.
स्काई वॉक पूरा शिलोंग शहर नजर आता है यहाँ से भी स्काई वॉक करते हुए। ओह, और ये हम स्काई वॉक पे जाते हैं, पूरा शिलोंग शहर का भ्रमण हो जाएगा। जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम होगा कहीं, ये सब दिखाया गया है कौन सा पैलेस कहाँ पे। शिलोंग शहर का व्यू। और स्काई वॉक का आनंद लेकर हम लोग वापस चले डॉन बॉस्को। ये देखो भाई, पूरा शिलोंग शहर नजर आ जाता है डॉन बॉस्को के स्काई वॉक से। तो अभी हम आए थे डॉन बॉस्को, हमने देख लिया है।